Hello everyone, this is Jim and welcome to Phase 2 Loving Heart Meditation Series. This is Session 1, Divine Love of Mother's Heart. Take a deep breath. Sit on the floor with legs crossed if possible. You may also sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor with your shoes off. Sit comfortably with your back straight. And you may lie down if you prefer, and focus on taking long, gentle, deep breaths through your nose. Bring the air deep down as if it can reach to the base of your spine, oxygenating your body and all the tissues and regenerating them with fresh oxygen. And exhale through your nose to release, along with your breath, all the pollution and the dross from your body. And while you gently breathe in and out, begin to relax your body. Start from the top of your head. Let all the tension in your head and your jaw area and the temples release. Pour down into your neck, releasing all the tension from your neck and your shoulders. Letting it pour down your arms, your forearms, out the tips of your fingers. And relax your chest. Focus on your breathing and bring your attention to your heart. Focusing on your heartbeat. And listen to it beat. Saying, I am. I am. I am. Continue to release all the tension in your body, down through all the organs in your abdomen, in your torso, through your belly, down your hips, down your thighs and calves, and out the bottoms of your feet. While all the time your heart is beating, saying, I am. I am. I am. Become aware of the witness standing right behind you, repeating with you, I am. I am. I am. Now visualize that our own beloved Divine Mother comes to sit directly in front of you. She is facing you, with her knees touching yours. Divine Mother is the feminine principle of existence, the creative force, manifested into form so that you may more easily relate to her as your own mother. The Divine Feminine, or the Feminine Principle, is also known as the Holy Ghost in the Christian Trinity. This creative force is also known as Shakti, Ki, Chi, Prana, and Life Force. Known by many names, and in all of it is your own Divine Mother. Holding the universe, the cosmos, and all that is together with divine love. You can see Divine Mother in whatever form she wishes to present to you. She may appear as a goddess with flowing robes, a female deity that you are familiar with, or as only a ball of bright light. Whatever form suits you and Divine Mother best, will manifest in front of you. And see that she is emanating bright copper gold light in every direction and bathing you in her love and her copper gold light. The Divine Feminine is the mother energy of the universe. Divine Mother does not judge you. She does not scold you. She only loves you completely, unconditionally, and unwaveringly, enveloping you in bliss as only Divine Mother's love can. You are her child. You are a part of her. You are the drop from the ocean that is Divine Mother. Feel the love and see that you are entirely enveloped in the copper gold light streaming to you from Divine Mother. Now bring your attention to your own crown chakra at the very top of your head and see that another beam of copper gold light is being beamed to you from Divine Mother's crown chakra to your crown chakra. As you breathe into your crown chakra, see that copper gold light become even more brilliant. And now from Divine Mother's third eye, she beams copper gold light to your third eye, illuminating your third eye chakra even more. Now Divine Mother beams from her throat chakra to your throat chakra. Copper gold light, intensifying the copper gold light in your chakra. Now from Divine Mother's cosmic heart chakra to your cosmic heart chakra, which is just about 3 inches below your throat, high on your chest, your cosmic heart is being illuminated with copper gold light from the cosmic heart of Divine Mother. From Divine Mother's personal heart chakra to yours, she beams copper gold light. Personal heart chakra is located in the center of your chest between your nipples. And see the copper gold intensify in that chakra. Now from Divine Mother's solar plexus, copper gold light to your solar plexus, just immediately below the belly button. And as you see that beam of light beaming to your solar plexus, see the beam from Divine Mother's seat of the soul chakra, which is located right between your belly button and your personal heart chakra. And see your seat of the soul chakra being illuminated, the copper gold light being intensified in that chakra as it is intensified in the solar plexus chakra. Divine Mother sends from her sacral plexus chakra to your sacral plexus chakra her beam of copper gold light. Just 3 or 4 inches below your solar plexus is your sacral plexus. And see, as you breathe into that chakra, the copper gold light intensify. As Divine Mother from the base of her spine, her root chakra to your base of the spine, your root chakra sends copper gold light, illuminating your root chakra. All of your chakras now are illuminated with intense copper gold light being beamed directly from all of the chakras of Divine Mother directly in front of you. And your entire body and your five body system are illuminated in copper gold light. Every morning when you get up, do this meditation so that Divine Mother is with you every moment of every day, every night before you go to bed. Do this meditation so that Divine Mother is always sitting with you, pouring her love and her light on you, and that she resides in each one of your chakras. And you are always in that knowing that Divine Mother is with you, looking over you. Ask that everything you think is put there by Divine Mother. Everything that you do is done according to Divine Mother's will. Take a deep breath. As you bathe in the light and love of Divine Mother, we live in a world of duality, but we can become conscious of our true nature. It has been said, the lover, the beloved, and the act of loving are one. This expresses the true nature of the oneness that exists between you, Divine Mother, and all that is. You, the lover, Divine Mother, the beloved, and the love that you share with Divine Mother and all that is, are one continuous flow of consciousness. In our true essence, there is nothing that distinguishes one from the other. You from Mother, Mother from you, or you and Mother from the love that you share. As you sit with Mother, feeling her love and sending her your love, encapsulated in her copper gold light, your chakras shining, look in Divine Mother's eyes and say, I can only exist because you exist. I am because you are. As you sit looking into Divine Mother's eyes, sending her all of your love, repeat, I am because you are. 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 I am because because you are. I am because you are. Repeat this mantra over and over again and ask Mother to give you its true meaning. Ask Mother to hold you in this knowing while you do what you do in your daily lives, in this reality, in this duality. Hold you in the knowing that the lover, the beloved, and the act of loving are one. I am because you are. I am because you are. I am because you are. Feel the love pouring to you from Divine Mother. See the copper gold light holding you within it to the point where you are no longer sitting in front of Divine Mother, but you and Divine Mother have become one in the copper gold light within the love of Divine Mother. You are the lover, you are the beloved, and you are the love. As Mother is the lover, the beloved, and the love. I will leave you here in oneness with our Divine Mother. I thank you for your service. I am because you are. So it is.